Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps lagging on Discord, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Discord. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your account. And then you can go to Play Store. If you find here updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.